In this session, I'll be performing a demo on the overview of our software Microsoft Packing and Delivery System. This is used usually in manufacturing, wherein after the uh, manufacturing of the goods, it will be packed and then delivered to our customers. And the way we do it is not by manually counting them, but by using a barcode to make sure that the counting is accurate. So that's what problem our system solved to accurately uh, count the items by performing a scanning of each pack instead of manually counting them. So I'll double click now. The username is master admin as well as the password. So we have here our files wherein we can uh, record our customers, and we have also the categories of our items. And then in our customers we can uh, view, and then we can select the customer, and then we have here the products under this customer where we manufacture. Now in our categories, we have here the category of the items, and setup after the setup of the data, we have here the barcoding, wherein we can generate packing barcodes, as well as once we put the barcode in the box, we also put a barcode in the box. And if ever we want to reprint our packing barcodes or boxing barcodes, then we will uh, view the generated packing barcodes as well as the boxing barcode. After that, we can uh, pack the items, or we can scan the items uh, through these packed items. And if we want to put the item in the box and scan them, so we can use box items. In delivery, we have here the delivery records, wherein you can also set up or add a delivery transaction wherein you can scan the box or the pack. In our inventory, we can look at the inventory of our stocks, as well as the ledger, the in and out of the item uh, in our warehouse. We have also the physical inventory, wherein we uh, can view the items, and if you want to make uh, inventory. And we have also the physical count scanning. This is when we perform inventory and we physically count by using a scanner. We have also the reports, wherein a given date range, how many were packed, how many were boxed, how many delivered. Uh, we will also look at the non-moving items, and we can also see the current inventory. And our users, we can input user accounts, and we can also see the user logs, the log in and log out. And we can set the access rights on each user to promote security in the access of our system. So that's the overview of this software. I can now log out. Thank you.